Okay, you just got finished unboxing your brand new Sony LCD TV. You got the family together and you're getting ready to kick back and enjoy some high definition content. You turn the TV on and you see a message that reads, "No signal." Today we'll explain the reasons why you may see this message and show you how to correct it. This is the TV we'll be using to guide you. All Sony LCD TVs have the same controls, most of them in the same place, so this demonstration will be useful regardless of what specific model you have at home. You can identify this issue when the screen displays no signal. You'll see a yellow warning triangle next to this message. Why is this happening? Well, this happens when the TV can't pick up signals from the air or any of the input ports on it. You may see screen noise on the screen behind the message or just a purple background. Notice the top left corner on the screen. This is where you can identify which of the TV's inputs are being displayed. We'll talk about TV inputs in a minute. Now we'll show you what you can do to improve the situation. We want to take you from this to this. First thing we'll do is make sure we have sources of signal connected to the TV's inputs. These sources of signals can be an antenna for over-the-air TV channels, a coaxial cable for cable TV signals, other devices like Blu-ray players, PS3 gaming consoles, or digital still cameras that use other TV inputs such as component, composite, S-video, or HDMI inputs. Once we are sure we have input signals, we'll press the input button on the TV or the remote control. Once we press the button, we can now select the input to be displayed. Here we can see an over-the-air signal coming in through the TV input. We can play an exciting video game on our PS3 console through the component input. We'll switch over to our HDMI 1 input and enjoy a high-definition Blu-ray movie. We can even use one of our other HDMI inputs to view some great pictures from our Alpha DSLR camera. Don't forget to make sure all your connected devices are on when selecting the different TV inputs. When using a cable box, you have to keep in mind that some of these units come with a remote control that you use to switch channels and control the volume. Remember that when you switch a channel using the control remote of your Sony LCD TV, you may move the input to the coaxial input and see a no signal message. To correct this, make sure you use your Sony LCD TV remote to select the input where you have connected your cable box, and then switch to your cable box remote to change channels on it instead of on your Sony LCD TV remote. Remember, if you use your TV's remote control when using a cable box, you might get the no signal message. Some Sony LCD TVs are equipped with a Manage Inputs function that allows you to enable input selection and label inputs so that you can see what devices are assigned to various inputs. We'll show you how to do this. Select the menu button on your remote. Move to Settings and select External Inputs from the drop-down menu. Select Manage Inputs. Here you can see on the left column all of the different inputs for your Sony LCD TV. Move to the right. Use the Change button on your remote to select the desired input label. Use the arrow buttons to move to the label column and use the up-down buttons to select the device connected to this input. Press the Change button to confirm and you're set. Use the Return or Menu buttons to exit. You can always label the input ports on your TV to show what devices you are connecting to them. You can even label your remote control to always know what input is used for all your devices. Well, we hope you enjoy your Sony LCD TV, and stay tuned for more tips on other great Sony electronic products. See you next time.